more about these heat waves and how that's impacting investor sentiment.
Yes, I mean, thank you guys for having me. But yes, heat wave has been on the radar for a lot of investors, although conditions are becoming a little better. But if you look at the impact of weather unpredictability that it is taking on the markets and, of course, on sectors, milk producers come top of the mind. You have stocks like Prabhat Dairy and Parag Milk Foods rising almost more than 15% this month alone because of milk shortages in the country that we have been seeing over the past couple of months. And now going ahead, all eyes are now on monsoon, with predictions of El Nino conditions worsening in the Pacific Ocean. Traders are nervous what impact it will have on the rural economy in particular, and therefore stocks linked to to that economy, such as Hindustan Unilever, Britannia, ITC, a lot of the two-wheeler makers, as well as tractor makers.
Tell us a little bit about Chiranjivi, about some of the big names out with earnings as well.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at the earnings season, so far the start has been unimpressive, but we are seeing that some bit of momentum is building now for a lot of the companies. I mean, the start from technology names like Infosys and TCS was quite poor with respect to guidance as well as the fourth quarter performance. But lenders so far have been, meeting expectations, if not beating them at this point of time. But the banking turmoil that we had seen in the US economy and its impact on the software stocks here in India is clearly casting a pall on the earnings outlook or earnings growth outlook for the Indian market. You have already seen that growth estimates for MSCI India has been trimmed by about 50 basis points from the beginning of this month to about 14.7%. Although, just to add a caveat, that it still remains the best earnings growth story within the emerging market basket. So at this point of time, I think it's the comments that we are getting from market players is that so far so good, but clearly the risks are to the downside as far as growth estimates are concerned.